And then we're going to work double crossed stitches. A double cross stitch is worked over 3 stitches. We'll skip this next stitch, double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then we'll yarn over and working backwards, insert our hook into that skipped stitch, pull up a loop the height of a double crochet or to where we're working. So you pull that loop longer, yarn over, pull through 2, and that finishes a double crossed stitch. So we'll do that again. You want to be careful. We've already worked in this stitch here, even though the stitch is sort of hidden. So we skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert in the skip stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So when